Welcome back. You can have more than one additional step inside of your Zap. So for example, you'll see that we have set one integration between two email service providers. That's based on one new unsubscriber that happens in one specific email service provider. We can then add on another application. We can click the plus button. In this case, we're going to go back to the setup and we're going to add in another action. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to give the person that just unsubscribed a free course. So we're going to add in a course inside of the online course platform Teachable. So what we're going to do is we're going to select an action event. And we're going to enroll a new user in a specific course. We're then going to click Continue. Now in this case, we're going to connect a new Teachable account. And to connect that Teachable account, we're going to need to have the email and the password to that account and the subdomain. Once we have the information in, we're then going to click Yes, Continue. Our account is now connected. We can now click Continue. And Zapier is now going to look inside of our Teachable account and we're going to select a specific course. And our course is available. We are going to select it. We are then going to set up or map the user's email. And in this case, we can select the email that comes from the MailChimp account, which is typically what we want to do since that would be the starting point. So we're going to select that email address that is unsubscribed in the first part of the trigger or the cause. And what you'll notice here is that we don't have a required field here. So you don't have to write in a name. However, we can go ahead with a name if we have that information available from the initial cause. And we can get this from the first step or the second step. It is our choice. Once we do that, we can then click Continue. Now it's at this point that we can test our connection by sending the individual to the course. And we're going to skip this part of the test for the sake of this video. And we now have the choice of adding in another step by clicking this button, or we can turn our Zap on to start the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.